Guys, so I just got back from work like an hour ago. I am currently refreshed. I have showered, I have eaten, and I wanted to just show you guys some of the things that I got today before I go to bed. Now, I had deliveries, I had some things I stopped at the market to get, but one of the things I'm really excited about is the shoes I got, because for someone like me that has really big feet, I'm a size 42 large. Yes, and like the length of my leg is, I have like very long length, and the width of my leg is big. But it's always hard getting a good shoes for my size. It's always hard. And when I find the prices are like 15k upwards, like for good shoe. So I was so glad when I got to the market today and I saw shoes like that were my size. And it's actually hard, first of all, finding a shoe that is my size, and then finding a shoe that is my size and affordable. Those are always the two problems I have. But when I got to the market today, I was able to find one. It wasn't even just one, it was two. It was like that particular store was selling big sized shoes. Like, I was so excited. I was like, and guess what? I got each of these shoes for 12,000 naira each. 12k, and they are brand new. Brand new. Now let me show you guys, so I'll just stop rambling, okay? The first one I got is this. Let me show you guys. Yay. Brand new. Love them. Love this detailing at the back of the shoe. I don't know if you guys can see clearly. Let me see. Love it so much, and I love the length as well. Like, it's a really good length. This is the second one. Oh my god, cute. Are you guys seeing this? How cute. So I was super excited when I got them, and I got them for that price. Like, it was a steal for me. I had to move money from one account to another account just so I could get the money together and pay for it, because I was not about to lose a good deal. That was one of the things as well, to get just a little bit of groceries for the house and for my baby, because he is coming back home. Excited. I already got some things yesterday, but I can't start unpacking all of those ones, so I just got this for him. Cereal, then milk is a must. The other things are really fast. Chocolate. I actually thought this was a chocolate spread, but I didn't know that it was actually a chocolate peanut spread. Like, I didn't look at it carefully until I got home and opened it. I was excited to use it immediately, and I opened it and I realized it was actually peanut butter but chocolate. I was thinking it was just plain chocolate, but yeah, this is what I got. Also got a delivery, from Sweet Oreox. I hope I'm pronouncing that well, but this is from my friend's brand. If you know Chef Simax, he's like one of the biggest chefs in the city of Abuja and Nigeria. This is actually his brand. Okay, so I've not opened it. This got delivered to me at work. I have not opened it. I actually have other deliveries that are coming in tomorrow. One for sure, I'm getting a hat delivered to me tomorrow, but I also have a shoot tomorrow, so I don't know what time they're going to deliver the hat, but I hope they do it in good time before my shoot, because I intend to start my shoot by 3, but we'll talk about that later. Let me open this so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. It has this note here that says, "Thank you for your patronage. I hope you enjoy every bite and have you request for more. Kindly tag us on Instagram." So this is what it looks like. It has this here. I actually want to have it this night, but I'm going to leave it till tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to have it for breakfast tomorrow, but this is what it looks like basically. I want to film it from Instagram as well, so let me do that, and I'll see you guys later or tomorrow. Hold on. Okay, hold on. Thank you. Hey guys, so I just took off my wig. I just finished filming a video. I still have my lights, my extra lights here. It's a lot, and this is past 1 a.m. I'm tired. Let me get this makeup off. Let me just sleep, Like, I really need to sleep right now. And the funny thing is, today is Sunday morning. This is 1 a.m. Sunday morning. Yeah, so see you guys later. So it's very noisy outside, but this is me ready to go to church. So you guys know that I told you guys I just finished filming at past 1. Well, I didn't sleep till like 3. I don't know, the sleep was just refusing to come because my mind was still working. So I didn't sleep till like 3. And I woke up at 7 on the dot because when I tapped my phone, it was 7.00. But yeah, that aside, this is past 8 right now. Service starts by 9. And I don't know which bag to go with. I think I'll just do black. I'll just do black, to be honest. But yeah, let's go because I don't want to be late. I don't like sitting at the back. By the way, I have these glasses on because I have a very big pimple here. Story for another day. Let's go. So, Popsy just got here. We're about to celebrate him right now. We're about to shout for him. Alright. That is less than that. Okay. I am wait.
This one I beg you, I know get time, Dada cover my face, calling me Big demand way to be what's it going?